Hello and welcome to this video series on how to model objects in Plasticity. My goal is to teach you everything you need to know about the software to model just about any object you can think of. I'll be going over key concepts and techniques in both solid modeling and surface modeling. And you'll quickly realize how easy it is to use the software compared to other modeling software that you've used in the past, if any. So let me start by saying that to be good at anything, you need to do it yourself. You need to train your brain and muscles. So in this series, we'll be modeling a track race bike. I came across this image of this bike on the internet, and I believe it's a perfect candidate for us to use in this tutorial series. And within this, I am going to teach you how to visualize objects, improvise new designs from existing images. And in the end, you can look at any image of any object and easily apply the principles I'm going to teach you to model anything you can think of. So I hope you enjoy this series as we model this insane looking bike together. I'll see you in the next one.